Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about how to fix beta program option is not showing in iPhone. Let's start this video. First of all, open setting. After this, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure your internet connection is working properly. After this, go back, tap on general, tap on software update and make sure you have downloaded iOS 26 beta. After this, go back and here tap on VPN and device management, tap on VPN and check if any VPN is connected. Turn off VPN. Now go back, open Safari and search here betaapple.com. After this, tap on the first website. Here scroll down and you can see option here sign in. Tap on this. After this, sign in your Apple ID here. When you sign in your Apple ID here, go back and restart your mobile phone. When you restart, open setting again and go to the software update and see beta program option will be showing to you. Your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.